Did you know?
You can now upgrade your refrigeration systems that currently use legacy Beacon 2 and QRC controllers with intelliGen. New intelliGen Retrofit Kits are designed to make it as simple and easy as possible for the contractor to retrofit the system. It's plug and play and can be done in less than 30 minutes. Because the intelliGen refrigeration controller uses the same low-voltage control components of the Beacon 2 and QRC systems, only the controller, mounting brackets, and the end panel are replaced to complete the upgrade. With intelliGen, your system is now future-proof with upgradable firmware. Troubleshooting is made easy with 60 days of data logging capability, and remote monitoring via the internet can easily be done with an add-on web server card or multi-system control card. Want to know more? Scan here or click the link below.